chance. Jah guide we steps. Wake up this morning with the sunlight shining. Yesterday gone, but the future inviting. No more worry, no more fear. Jah tell me I am near. Some roads rough, some roads winding. Still I keep my faith while the world keep fighting. With a grateful heart and a peaceful mind, blessings will come in their own right time. So lift your head, don't give up when the road gets hard. Still hold on. Every little seed that you plant today, one day will grow in a brighter way. Sunday morning we rise again, give thanks to Jah through joy and pain. One more sunrise, one more chance. Let love and peace lead every step we take. Sunday morning we rise again, no looking back, we move ahead. If you got life, you got a reason. Give thanks to Jah this Sunday season. To every mother praying for her children, every father fighting just to keep them living. To every dream that almost died, keep on walking, Jah is by your side. To the lonely heart sitting in silence, don't lose hope when you're facing the violence. Storms may come, but storms must go. After the rain, blessings will flow. Are you ready to rise? We are ready. Are you ready for love? We are ready. Are you ready for peace? We are ready. Give thanks to Jah forever and ever. Sunday morning we rise again, give thanks to Jah through joy and pain. One more sunrise, one more chance. Let love and peace lead every step we take. So if you're hearing this song today, don't let your hope fade away. Breathe in love, breathe out fear. Jah blessings are